If you want to change keyboard theme on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, start by opening keyboard settings. You can do this by clicking here and then tap on this icon. Now select theme, and as you can see, you can find here some default colors. You can turn on and off key borders and quickly tap apply. Below we can find the landscapes and the light and the dark gradient. But if you want to set, for example, your photo as keyboard theme, click here. Now we can select something from your albums, from your camera, screenshots, whatever. So let's say that I want to get this one. And right now we can pinch to basically adjust picture size. So we can align it with this frame properly. Click next. Here you can set transparency of this picture, and you can click done. In the next step, you can turn on and off key borders. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.